Hi everyone, today we are going to install Ubuntu as an app within Windows 10. So to get started, you go to the Windows 10 App Store, then you go to search and type in Ubuntu as follows. Then you click on the Ubuntu. Once it shows up, then you click on install. Okay, so that's now downloading Ubuntu. Okay, so once it's downloaded, I'll show you the next step. So I'm going to pause the recording at this point. Okay, so the Ubuntu app is now installed and we're ready to launch it. So you just have to click on the launch button as follows. And it'll open up a terminal window. And it's now installing within the terminal window. So this will take a few minutes. Once this process is finished, I will resume recording. Okay, so Ubuntu is now installed within the terminal window. So we just now need to set it up. So we need to enter a username. So I'm going to put in my username, which is Amit. Then I need to set up my password as follows. Okay, so we are now running Ubuntu as an app within Windows 10. Thank you very much for your time. If you've got to the end of this video, and also if you do like this video, please click on like. Please subscribe to the channel should you wish to see further videos from myself. And finally, don't forget to hit the notification bell should you wish to be notified when I upload further videos. And thank you very much.